What's up, everybody? Alan Johnson with the AJ team. We have a really special series for you guys, but I have a couple questions. Have you ever renovated your home to get it ready to sell? Do you know what you need to fix up, update, or repair? Did you know that these decisions can either make you thousands or cost you thousands? When you're selling a home and renovating, the profit is made well before you put the sign in the yard or accept the contract. The problem is that most agents either don't have the necessary experience to tell you what makes sense to renovate, or they haven't done it before. While some sellers are worried about saving a percent on commission, smart sellers are preparing their home, making the correct renovations that are going to make them thousands. We've helped many area sellers and homeowners like you make thousands of dollars by helping them get their home market ready. All right. So we got a really special seminar for you guys. We're going to take you on a home tour of a home that we have, right? It needs renovation from A to Z. Literally, this house is going to be gutted. We're going to take you inside the strategy, the pricing, and the process of getting your home ready for the market. And if you're not thinking about selling your home, about making the decisions in renovations that will preserve your equity in your home. All right. So we're only going to be taking 20 of our past clients, friends, or referral partners on this tour. And this is going to be a hands-on tour. You're going to walk through the property with us. Our contractors are going to be there. You're going to have an opportunity to ask questions about pricing and all these things that you guys, I think you guys will find a ton of value out of. So if you click the link below, you can sign up for one of our sessions. It's going to be really especially guaranteed, exclusive for a very small group because we really want to get hands-on. All right, so we're super excited to bring this to you in the new year. Alan Johnson with the AJ team. You have the dream, we have the address, and we'll see you soon. Bye.